Alright, today I'm working on putting a door in the side of one of these shipping containers. It's a 20-footer. I'm going to put a walk-in door in it. And in reading on the internet, they tell you go ahead and cut your opening and then get some steel, which I've done, some steel tubing like this, 2x4 tubing, and put that and weld that to the side of the box. Well, what if you don't have a welder? And the answer is you don't have to have a welder, because you can use some angle iron and some sheet metal screws like that one, and you can screw the sheet metal to the Connex box and then to your door frame like that. And if you use you wouldn't have to use just a small piece like this. You could use a much larger piece of angle iron and put a bunch of sheet metal screws in it. I have those are self tappers right there, and I'm just doing that to hold this in place so I can weld it. But if you don't have a welder, you wouldn't have to take the screws out. Just screw it into place, put a bunch of screws in it, and this will hold the door frame in place, and then you can caulk it. And I'm going to insulate this, but you wouldn't have to insulate it. And as you can see, I've set the door frame so it's just flush with that piece of angle iron. It's about 1.5 inches out. And that's an easy way to build the door frame. And you can do that all the way around. I haven't done this side yet. You can do that all the way around and not have to have a welder in order to put a walk-through door into a Connex box or a shipping container.